Thank God that I woke up locked out, doing just another day in my own life. Same fight, same struggle, just my own life. Same bullshit, same problems on the same flight. Hey, another day, another track, another road, homie. Another way, but hey, dream still the same, homie. Still living it up, I'm not giving it up. A middle finger up, I tell the world I'm not giving a fuck. I don't fall for bullshit provocation. Return fire with lyrical penetration. And all you fools that's hating you, I don't hate you. But in this world, yo, I'm a doctor, you's a patient. Ay, cause in this rap shit, I only put the best in me. You want some? Well, I ain't got no recipe. It's in my soul, in my heart, so I'm not giving up the fight, no, never. I don't die, I'ma stay on my feet. I don't die, I'ma stay strong, yeah. I don't die, I'ma stay on my feet and keep hustling, 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 hustling. I don't die, I'ma stay on my feet. I don't die, I'ma stay strong, yeah. I don't die, I'ma stay on my feet and keep hustling, 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 hustling.
I'm a survivor, ain't no motherfucking doubt. Getting paid off the lines that rhyme my life, served to the bone. My symbol is a chrome. The land of the wolves is what we call home. Get the money quicker than the rest of the rivals. Who get it first got a chance to survival. It's time for the motherfucking game to be rectified. Give it up, motherfucker, before I yank you out.
You better have on a helmet.
We ain't aiming at your chest, got you begging for your life like a nerve for some sex. I'm ripping up the trucks like Nicolas Cage. Face the diesel in my veins, till my motherfucking dying days. Everybody trying to paint a fucking perfect picture. I'm trying to get it richer before I get fucking stitched. Just like 50 Cent, get rich or die trying, but I'm getting rich watching other motherfuckers dying.
I don't die, I'ma stay on my feet. I don't die, I'ma stay strong, yeah. I don't die, I'ma stay on my feet and keep hustling, 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 hustling. I don't die, I'ma stay on my feet. I don't die, I'ma stay strong, yeah. I don't die, I'ma stay on my feet and keep hustling, 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 hustling.
Yeah, as I sit puffing on smoke, my mind start to shift to the bullshit I provoked. I was young and on one, infatuated with guns. Couldn't tell you the name of it, but I busted and run for fun. Missing my father and searching for father figure. The fool I thought was one sent me to rob a nigga down, but soon after came the bussin'. The details of that I don't care to discuss it, so I'ma hush it. But other than that, moving on to bigger and better. I learned to keep a Beretta under my sweater. 7-letter met a young nigga head on. You dead wrong, you ever thinking Lil said gone? Nigga, I'm right here, so holla at me. You know me. The homie told me you was the only nigga from your side giving it up for me, right? So if it's love like that, show it to me and I'm showing it back. It's Evil Skeem.